So, natural cause, if you're to start with the introduction, you will understand everything about it. So, it's a common name is phosphate of sodium, phosphate of sodium, or nitrogen phosphoric acid, sodium phosphate. These all are the common name of your natural cause. That is natrium phosphoric acid. Then, the word of the PA character used as saturation or solution. Doses, it can be used in all potencies. Okay. If we are going to understand about saturation or saturation or doses of it, you can use this remedy in all potencies. Okay. This remedy, according to Shukla, natrium is contained in the blood corpuscle, in the cells of the muscles, of the nerves, of the brain, as well as in the intracellular force. Through the presence of natrium phos, lactic acid is decomposed into carbonic acid and water. The carbonic acid is then exhaled or exchange of oxygen, which is absorbed by the ion of the blood corpuscle. Okay. Natrium phos is the remedy for those diseases which are caused by an excess of lactic acid. Okay. If therefore answer to disease of infant who are having been fed with the excessive milk, then who are having been fed with the excess milk and sugar from renowned acids. Okay, so renowned acids. So if we are going to talk about the natrium phos, according to Schubert, this is the important remedy for blood purpose in the cells of the vessels, of the nerves, of the brain, as well as in the intracellular fluids. So this is important remedy in the body where deficiency can lead to a lot of conflict, especially lactic acid. This is important for decomposition of lactic acid, and lactic acid, if it get increases, lead to a muscle, it's a muscle pain. So this is important remedy for all of you. And this is all about how this remedy. Okay, then sphere of action. This remedy acts on GI tract, bones, glands, lungs, and abdominal organs. Pathogenesis. The drug has got a special affinity for the complaints arising from excess of lactic acid in the system. Hence, acidity is the most important characteristic of natrium phos, and it is seen to tend particularly every organ under this remedy. So the drug has got a special affinity for the complaints arising from excess of lactic acid. Excess of lactic acid lead to a lot of complaints. Okay, hence acidity is the most important characteristic of natrium phos. It is seen particularly every organ under the remedy. So this remedy is used for acidity, diabetes, dyslexia, gastralgia, euphoria, post-nasal catarrh, rheumatism, burns, and sterility. Hello, can you listen me? Hello guys, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is your screen available in front of you? If your screen is available in front of you? Hello, can you see your screen? Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There was some problem, some internet issue, so I cannot take up that things very properly. So now you can see your screen.
एक होता है
एक minute. आता येतोय आवाज तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित? हॅलो. हेलो, आवाज येतोय आता? हेलो गाइस, कैन यू लिसन मी?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is stop.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'll start with again. Constitution, there is acidic diathesis, causation, acid, citrus fruit, oranges, sulfur, sugar, milk, fatty food, bitter food, or thunderstorm. Thunderstorm leads to a lot many complaints. Acid means acidic food, citrus fruit, oranges, alcohol leads to a lot of complaints. Sugar leads to a lot of complaints. Milk, fatty food, bitter food leads to a complaints. Okay, then we'll move further, that is towards the note. Natrum phosphoricum is the remedy for condition arising from excess of lactic acid, often resulting from too much sugar. When patient is going to take lot of sugar, it leads to problem. Okay, so natrum phosphoricum is the remedy for condition arising from excess of lactic acid, resulting from too much sugar. Too much sugar leads to excess of lactic acid, which leads to again a problem where you can use natrum phosphoricum. Elements with excess of acidity, sour irritations and taste, the sour vomiting, yellow creamy coating at the back of the roof of the mouth and tongue. Okay, there is yellowish creamy coating at the back of mouth, back of roof of mouth and tongue. Then inflammation of any parts of the throat with sensation of lump in throat, flatulence with sour rising, colic with symptoms of worms, cracking in joints, jaundice. You can use this remedy in jaundice in a many type of cases. Many type of patients, I have seen these remedies acting really very well in a patient with symptom like jaundice. You can use this remedy in axillary also. Inflammation in throat inflammation, there can be laryngitis, there can be pharyngitis with sensation of there is a lump in the throat. Flatulence with sour rising, some gases, but patient feel that something sour is coming up in my mouth. Okay, colic with symptoms of worms, cracking of joints. This remedy is really great remedy for cracking of joints. Mental weakness is there, fear, especially at night something would happen. Imagine that piece of a furniture are persons. He hears footstep in a next room. Okay, so this is important line. So it has been written in a book. Okay, he imagines that the pieces of furniture are persons. He hears the footsteps in the next room. They are nervous and forgetful. There is sadness from music. Now there is music aggravations. Music leads to weeping. We have seen lot many remedies, especially in natricum. They have some sensitivity towards the music. So there is a sadness because of music. They are indifferent to everything. Okay, indifference. It means patient don't have interest in anything. Okay, so there is indifferent to everything. They sit quiet still for a long time. They can sit quiet and still for a long time. They get easily frightened. Okay, they get very very easily frightened. They have that startling tendencies. Eyes discharges of golden yellow creamy matter from the eye. Try to understand this golden yellow creamy matter. Okay, but this is pathological. Huh? This is not a physiological. This is pathological. That golden yellow creamy matter from the eyes. There is dilation of one pupil. Here you can see the dilation. Whites of eye dirty yellow. Then eye weak, worse on gaslight. Mouth cannot show lips and canthus sores and lips and cheeks. Okay, there is a canthus sores of lips and cheeks worse by acidic food. There is blisters on tip of tongue. Uh, Tip of tongue. There is a blister with stinging pain in evening. Stinging pain you will especially feel when there is a honeybee bite. For that, we have a great remedy named as Apis mellifica. Okay, there is a blisters on a tip of tongue with stinging in evening. There is yellow creamy coating at the base of a tongue. Okay, on tonsils or a roof of a mouth. Thin moist coating on the tongue as of hair on a tongue. There is grinding of a teeth. Then, especially in a children, there is pricking numbness of a whole mouth. There is continuous pricking numbness of a whole mouth, throat. throat there is hoarseness, dyspepsia, thick creamy membrane over the tonsils and soft palate, as of a lump preventing speech, swallowing difficult, yellow coating on tonsils, goiter with feeling of pressure. Understanding these things, I mean, understanding this pathology, while reading this pathology, I remember a case I'll share with you. I think 4 or 5 days back, a patient came to me, almost 25 to 27-year male patient said that I'm having tonsillitis. He came almost 2 months before to me, now having that episode of a tonsillitis, and he was having really pain. Okay, at that time I had prescribed him Calcarea and Calcarea according to symptom similarity, that is Calcarea carb, and he was better with that within a day. And again he came, but that tendency, that intensity was so severe. He was having some ulceration and with lot of pain and all the bloody things, and there is creamy, thick creamy membrane as if pus pockets has been formed, and it was really syphilitic appearance. Huh? So I had prescribed him Mersol, single dose of a Mersol, and after that. I asked him to came to meet me on the next day. Everything was completely better. That ulcers were better, tonsillitis was completely better. Everything was better within a 24 hours. That is within one day. And after that, I started giving him Baraita carb for removing those tendency to get the tonsillitis every time. Okay, because a patient of 27 or 30 years of a male should not have tonsillitis, right? So at that time, such tendencies are there in him. So I decided to give him Baraitaka. That patient have that thick creamy layer on the tonsils. So I remember this case while teaching you this. Okay, so there is hoarseness and dysphagia, thick creamy membrane over the tonsils and soft palate, as of a lump preventing speech. Swallowing become difficult, yellow coating on tonsils, goiter filling, goiter with filling of a pressure. Okay, there is a goiter with filling of a pressure. You will get that yellowish coating on a tonsil. Swallowing really become difficult. There is goiter with filling of a pressure. Stomach, there is a sour bleaching after eating. Patient really have lot of bleaching. Okay, spit mouthfuls of a food, vomiting of sour, cheesy masses. There is vomiting of sour and cheesy masses, emptiness in a stomach and abdomen, even in a chest. It gets worse after eating. There is heaviness and pressure in the epigastrium. There is emptiness in a stomach and abdomen, even in a chest. It gets worse after eating. There is heaviness and pressure in the epigastrium. Abdomen, while at a stool, sensation as if marble drop down descending column. Okay. Understand this sensation as if a marble drop down in a descending column. There is noisy flatulence, fullness in abdomen, worse on standing or eating a little. There is gastroduodenal catarrh. This is remedy just for your acidic nature. Okay, so natron cause is really great remedy. Then food, canine hunger with gone feeling in stomach, desire, strong tasting things, eggs, fried fish, beer, which is amyloid, aversion to bread and butter, made emissions without dreams, with weakness in a back and trembling in legs. There is desire without irritations. Also, this is remedy for your gonorrhea. Female menses are too early, pale, thin, white, sterility with acid secretions from vagina. Leukorrhea discharges are creamy or honey colored or acid and watery. Sour smelling discharges from uterus. Morning sickness with sour vomiting. Back weakness after sex. Heavy dragging in a back. Swelling of glands of a neck and extending to chest. There is synovial crepitation. Rheumatic arthritis. This is again remedy for rheumatic arthritis. Huh? Limb aching in wrist and finger joints, rheumatism. Feet are icy cold during day and burn at night. This is typical sensation. Huh? Feet are icy cold during day and burns at night. Synovial crepitations, cramps in hand while writing. They will get cramps in a hand while writing. Legs give the way while walking. Rheumatism of knee joint. This is remedy for your rheumatism of knee joint. And keep it in mind, Drantrum Force is really a great remedy. It's a really a, you can say it's a drug picture, or this is really deep acting remedy. It has lot many actions. It will really great helpful in your cases of jaundice. It will really great remedy in a tonsillitis. It become very helpful also in this knee pain. Okay, and knee pain. This is really very prominent result you are going to get with this remedy. Skin yellow, itching in various parts, especially of ankles and abs. Smooth red shining erysipelas. Feet are icy cold in daytime, burn at night. Swelling of lymphatic glands. Modalities. This get better from cold, worse from sugar, milk, mental aggression, thunderstorm, gaslight, sex, and walking. Then relationship antidoted by sepia and apis. Uh, Sepia, special eruptions and swelling about joints, and apis in urticaria. Compare acidity and scrofula, calcarea and renum. Gout for benzoic acid, guaiacum, lycopodium, urticariurines and sulfur. Gastric catarrh, calcarea, carbovesh, calica, nux, carbolic acid. Speech impeded, natrum mute. Hair sensation, natrum mute, caribicromicum and silicea, with aggravated from coitus, and that is calcarea and causticum. Worms, abrotanum, sina, tucricum. Drinking water, cough, silicea. Causticum aggravates the cough. Emissions causing feet and back and knees, natrum mute. Okay, so this is all about this remedy. I think we had completed natrum phosphoricum. I will revise this remedy, and I'm also going to revise a remedy which we had taken in the last lecture. Okay. So natrum phos, common name of a phosphate of sodium or phosphate of soda, or natrum phosphoricum or sodium phosphate. These are the common name. Prover is Dr. E.M. Harrington, used as a saturation of solution doses in all potencies. Okay. Then according to Schussler, natrum phos is contained in the blood corpuscle in the cells of the muscles, of the nerves and of the brain, as well as in the intracellular fluid. Through the presence of a natrum phos, lactic acid is decomposed into carbonic acid and water. The carbonic acid is then exhaled and exchanged for oxygen which is absorbed by the iron of the blood corpuscle. Natrum phos is a remedy for those diseases which are caused by excess of lactic acid. It therefore answers to disease of infants who are having been fed with excess with milk and sugar from reabundance of acids. Sphere of action, GI tract, bone, glands, lungs, and abdominal organs. Then pathogenesis. This drug has got special affinity for the complaints arising from excesses of lactic acid in the system. Hence, acidity is more important characteristic of a natrum phos. And it is seen to attend of particularly every organ under this remedy. So you are going to get acidity everywhere. Acidity, diabetes, dyspepsia, gastralgia, euphoria, post-nasal catarrh. This is remedy for your post-nasal catarrh. Rheumatism is there, worms infestation. You can use, I had many a time I have told you that Santonin, Sina, then your Kali Cos, Kali Moor. These are the remedy for this worms. Okay. Again, this natrum phos is also a great remedy for worms. Sterility. Sterility. Again, this is remedy for sterility. I had seen one case of a sterility, and he got covered with many remedies in which we had prescribed him natrum phos. One remedy was natrum phos. Meantime, he need nux vomica. Sometimes he need that your we had used sometime Avena sativa. We need sometime diadema. So there are many remedies. One is natrum phosphoricum, because there was complete azoospermia and which we need to cover up. Okay. So So for sterility, this is a great remedy. Constitution, there is acid diathesis. Possession, acids, citrus food, oranges, alcohol, sugar, milk, fat food, bitter food, and thunderstorm. Thunderstorm lead to a lot of complaints. You know, natrum phosphoricum is the remedy for condition arising from excess of lactic acid, often resulting from too much sugar, elements with excesses of acidity, sour irritation at taste, sour vomiting, yellow creamy coating at the back of the roof and mouth and tongue. And then inflammation of any part of the throat with sensation of lump in the throat, flatulence with sour rising, colic with symptoms of worm, cracking in joints, jaundice, and oxaluria. Mental weakness is there. Fear, especially at night, that something would happen. Imagines that piece of a furniture or person and he hears the footstep in the next room. Nervous, forgetful, sadness from music, indifference to everything. They are really indifferent towards everything. Sits quite still for a long time, easily get frightened. Now, discharges of a golden yellow creamy matter from the eyes, dilation of a one pupil, then whites of eye are dirty yellow, eyes weak and worse on a gaslight. Then mouth, there is canker sores of a lip and cheek, worse by acid food, blisters on a tip of tongue with stinging in evening, especially evening aggravation is there. Yellow creamy coating at the base of tongue on the tonsils or roof of mouth, thin moist coating on the tongue as of hair on the tongue, grinding of teeth, children's pricking, numbness of whole mouth, throat, hoarseness, dyspepsia, thick creamy membrane over the tonsils and soft palate as of a lump preventing speech. Swallowing become difficult, yellow coating on the tonsils, water with feeling of pressure. Stomach, sour blenching after eating, spits mouthful of food, vomiting of sour cheesy masses, emptiness in stomach and abdomen, even in a chest. Get worse after eating, heaviness and pressure in the epigastrium, abdomen, while at a stool sensation as if marble drop down, descending colon. This is important sensation, okay? As if marble drop down in a descending colon, okay? Noisy flatulence, lot of noises are there, and natrum pause. This diarrhea is really spurting diarrhea. I remember one time the Chatterjee sir was telling us about natrum pause diarrhea. There is spurting diarrhea, so there are really noisy flatulence, fullness in abdomen, worse on standing or eating a little. Then gastroduodenal catarrh is there. Food, canine hunger with gone feeling in stomach, desire strong taste in things like eggs, fried fish, beer, which is amylorate, aversion to bread and butter, male emission without brains with weakness in a back and trembling in limbs, desire without erections, gonorrhea, female menses too early, pale, thin, watery, sterility with secretion from vagina, leukorrhea, discharges creamy or honey colored or acid and watery, sour smelling discharges from uterus, morning sickness with sour vomiting, back weakness after sex, heavy dragging in a back, the swelling of glands of a neck extending to chest, synovial crepitations are there, rheumatic arthritis is there, limb, aching in wrist and finger joints, rheumatism. Finger joint rheumatism is commonly seen. Rheumatism, in rheumatic arthritis, you can use this remedy. Feet are icy cold during day, burn at night, synovial crepitations, cramp in hand while riding, leg gives a way while walking, rheumatism of knee joint. Skin is yellow, itching in various parts, especially of ankles and calves. Some smooth red shining erysipelas. Okay, feet is icy cold in daytime, burns at night. Swelling of lymphatic glands. Modality, better from cold, worse from sugar, milk, mental aggression. Thunderstorm, gaslight, sex and walk. Antidoted by sepia and apis. This is comparison which I had told you. So this is all about your natrum phosphoricum. Any query in this? Any query in this?
Ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am, what are hives?
Hi, have you ever seen articarial patches? There is redness of the skin. There are elevated patches you will get, and there are urticaria. Okay, that is name for urticaria. You can say name for urticaria, that is has. Anything else? Anything else? Hello guys, anything else? Hello, are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything,
Yes, ma'am.
anything else you want to ask? Okay, I'll revise Kalisal till that time. So Kalisal, common name is potassium sulfate, formula is K2SO4. One of the 12 tissue remedies introduced by Dr. Schuzler. Dr. Schuzler has given about this remedy, and this drug yet to be proved homeopathically. It has been not proven homeopathically. Symptoms available are from Schuzler's work as well as clinical sources. This drug known as a Schuzler's pulsatilla. Sphere of action, its chief action is on epidermis, epithelium, muscles, nerves, and blood corpuscle. The oxygen taken up by the iron content in the blood corpuscle is carried to every cell of the organism by Kali's cell. So the deficiency of Kali's cell produces vertigo, chilliness, palpitation, fear, melancholy, disformation of epidermis, and yellow mucus discharges. Clinically, it has been used for asthma, cataract, catarrh, chorea, dandruff, dyspepsia, eczema, epithelioma, eustachian catarrh, then gonorrhea, itch, nails disease, neck rash, eczema, polyps, psoriasis, rheumatism, rust poisoning, vertigo, and fever. So it is useful catarrhal affection with thick yellow or greenish pus, viscid or thin yellow water discharges. Most symptoms are aggravated in the evening. Patients craves for fresh and even cold air, and is ameliorated in open air and cool air. So everything get aggravated by cold, aggravated by warm, and everything will get ameliorated by cold things. Okay. There is hysterical symptoms. It has been called as a Schuzler's pulsatilla. So you will find there is a real similarity with the pulsatilla. Mental anxiety in evening in bed. You will find really this is really very similar towards the pulsatilla. Okay. Frightened at people, fear of night of death, impatience and impetuous, then hysterical and excited in evening. Mind is really very active, always in hurry, always excited. They cannot make up his mind to do an act. Very irritable, misplaced word while writing. There is alternating moods, changeable disposition, restlessness during menses. So you will really get similarity with this remedy. Okay, with the pulsatilla. So this is all about your Kali self. I will again revise it in a next lecture. Is it okay for you all, because time is really very short? Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
I will stop it over here, and that's all for today. Thank you.